HSBC Balance Transfer Review, my honest user experience and comprehensive guide. Transferring a credit card balance can save money, but only if you pick the right option. I tested HSBC's balance transfer offer and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong, thinking all balance transfer cards are the same. The surprising truth is HSBC offers long 0% introductory periods, sometimes up to 18 months, with a straightforward application process and clear terms. I applied online, and the process was smooth. You can transfer balances from multiple cards, up to the credit limit, and HSBC provides an easy dashboard to track transfers and payments. Interest rates after the introductory period are competitive, and there's usually a one-time transfer fee, typically 2-3%, which is important to factor in. During the 0% period, every payment goes directly toward reducing the principal, which accelerates debt repayment. Customer service is responsive, with online chat and phone support. You can also set up automatic payments to avoid missing deadlines, which is crucial for maintaining the interest-free period. The only caution is that applying for a balance transfer may affect your credit score slightly, and exceeding the transfer limit can incur fees. Planning your payments carefully ensures maximum benefit. In conclusion, HSBC's balance transfer card is an effective tool for consolidating debt and saving on interest. With proper planning and timely payments, it can make a noticeable difference in managing credit efficiently.